If you are trying to sell your home fast, maybe it's inherited, maybe you're relocating, or maybe you do not want to deal with the hassle, there are a lot of ways to sell it. But the truth is, fast sale options could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, I'm going to break down how to sell quickly without getting ripped off and how to avoid common traps that sellers fall into. Let's start with the most tempting option that sellers fall into when they want to sell quickly, and that is selling it to an investor. We have all seen the signs: instant cash offer, or we buy houses, and even skipping inspections and repairs. While that may be true, what they don't tell you is that you could be losing out on 30 to 40% of your home's value by putting it on the open market. Speed and convenience are the main benefits of these instant cash offers. While they could be the best option for you if your property is distressed or needing a ton of repairs, but if that is not your situation, it may not be the best route for you. Some buyers or investors may even offer creative financing or subject to. While it can be legit, you still have to be careful because some could be creative and set up to where you lose control of your home. Okay, so what's the middle ground? How can you sell quickly and still get all of the equity out of your home? And that is the strategic lazy selling. You can still sell quickly while working with a strong agent, setting the right price and doing only the essentials. You can skip all the full renovations, do the cosmetics, do the minor repairs, make the house brighter, declutter, get professional photography, and set the price correctly, and you will get top dollar for your home while working with a strong agent. You need somebody on your side who knows how to price aggressively, negotiate strong offers, and filter out serious buyers only. While selling fast may be a top priority for you, you have to ask yourself, is there another option to get the home sold fast and still make a little bit more money and not lose out on all of your equity? If you are looking to sell your home quickly with minimal effort and not give it away to a lowball investor, reach out. My number is 704-903-3132. After selling 100 homes, I have seen a lot of legal documents that sellers may not realize they are about to sign, or even a lot of negotiating tricks that can hurt the seller at the closing table when they see how much money they are actually walking away with. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.